Hello ladies and gentlemen, in today's video we will take multiplayer fighter game by Python and mBlock. Inside this game we will use Python programming language, as you know, and we will make two fighters. Every fighter will be controlled by the same keyboard. The first fighter will be from the left side of the keyboard, and the other fighter will be controlled by the right side of the keyboard, like what I will say right now. One of them will be controlled by the arrows, and the other one will be controlled by the W, A, S, B keys from the keyboard. And also we will program the hit from a specific keys. Just concentrate with me and everything you will know now. We have two parts from this game. This is the first part and the second part is in another video. So after this video, just go to the second part and you will know how to make the full game. Okay, let's go to our mBlock. We will make a new project. We will go to File, Menu, and after that choose New. After that we will delete this device, go to Sprites and delete this sprite and upload some sprites. Well, I will tell you. First we will take the background, this background. Hello everybody, before we begin or continue the video, let's go to how to contact me and book courses with me or book work, like system analysis work, for example. You can contact me in WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, you can just write this, like this link, and you will get directed to my conversation in WhatsApp. Or this is my Facebook account, personal account, and this is my Student Guide Academy, my Academy account, or my Academy page in Facebook. I will show you. This is the Academy page, Student Guide 101, and this is my Facebook page. And you will find here send a message. If you log in, you will find send a message. You can send me a message, or you can go to this link, WhatsApp number, and click enter, and you will get directed to the WhatsApp number and the WhatsApp conversation for me. I wait you. Let's continue. And after that we will go back to the sprite and we will upload a specific sprite. I will leave the sprites in the description. You can download it. The first sprite and the second sprite. This is the first sprite and the second one is the same but another color. This sprite have more than one costume, as you see, and also the other sprite have the same number of costumes but in another color. Okay, we can make the screen bigger to make sure that it's in the right accurate position. Okay, because we will read the X and Y and we will program by the X and Y that we will see here. Okay, concentrate with me. Now it's in block by default, but I will go to Python because I will program it by Python. And now I will begin writing my code. From mBlock import event. This will allow me to import event class from mBlock. This is the library. mBlock is a library and I import a specific class or a specific file from this library. It's called event, and this event library or event file will allow me to use events in my game. Events like what? Events like any action happen in my game, like if I click the green flag, as you see the green flag there, I will do something. If something happen, I will do another thing. You will see now. Okay, after import event I will import another thing. It's time. Import time, but this time I didn't say import from mBlock import time. I said directly import time. Why I didn't say from mBlock? Because time is a file inside the library of Python itself, so I don't have to say from anywhere. No, I know that it's from Python directly, so I say import time directly from Python. But from mBlock, this means from the library of mBlock. Okay, concentrate. Because from Python we don't have any event inside the Python itself. we have it like in mBlock. So the mBlock developers develop this mBlock library to allow us to use it in their IDE or in their program, the mBlock program that we are using right now. Now we will write some variables. These variables is to make it like reusable code. Reusable like what? Reusable like when I use it now, I can take it, copy and paste it in the other fighter, in the other sprite, and just to change the values of the variables. So every variable have value. This value refer to a specific key or a specific thing. I will just change the values when I go to the other fighter. So input R like right to the right side, input left to the left side, the key that will make me go to the left side. Input H like the key that will allow me to hit, make the hit. So I will move to the right by D, move to the left by A, move or hit by V. These are the keys inside the keyboard, by the way. So concentrate with me. I'm talking about keys right now. And every key, I put it inside a variable. Okay, I will use all of this code in the other fighter again, but I will just change the values of the variables. Health, also I will make a health variable and I will give it a specific health. I will say P1 health. For the other fighter, it will be B2 health. P2 is like player 1, player 2. Okay, so I say P1 health mean player 1 health. I am in player 1 now, fighter 1. Enemy name will be fighter 2 because I am in fighter 1. But when I go to fighter 2, enemy name will be fighter 1 because I will be in fighter 2. So the enemy name is the other sprite. Message. Also I will say message because I will receive it and send it. For this sprite, it will be hit 1. And for the other sprite, the fighter 2, it will be hit 2. So the message is the things that I will send when the hit happen, and when the other sprite receive, it will reduce its health. So because I will make health equal 100 in the beginning, so it will be reduced every time get hit. The player or the fighter get hit. Wait time. It's a time for waiting. I will use it sometimes when I am moving. I'm making the move of the sprite, sometimes in another time or in another places. So just concentrate. I will make wait time equal 0.3 of the second. So it equal 0.3 of 1 second. It's even less than 1 second, as you see right here. Now I will use the event. I use the event that I imported from the beginning, the first line of the code. Now I will say event.greenFlag. I will use the green flag event. The green flag, as you see this green flag in front of you in the like under the fighter. Green flag and red flag and red button. So I say event dot green flag, and after that def on green flag. It will auto generated, by the way. Just write event dot green flag and it will be auto generated for you like this. Okay, after that you will put the indentation and begin writing your code. So this means when I click the green flag button, begin or do the coming lines of code. Okay, now I will go to variables. I will make a variable. I will make it for all sprites. And inside this variable, I will make B1 health. And also I will make P2 health for all sprites also. Okay? So I will have 2 health variables. The health for the first fighter and the health for the second fighter. And both of them are for all sprites. Concentrate here, don't make it for this sprite, okay? It will make an error with you. Just for all sprites. Now I will go back to Python and I will say when green flag clicked, when I click this green flag, begin the game and do everything under it. So I will make indentation and I will make all of my code under this indentation. This means all of my code will begin running after I click the green flag button. The green flag button is the button responsible for beginning my game. Now I will say sprite.set variable p1 health 0. No, I will make it 100 in the beginning. So I will say sprite.set variable p1 health 100. But p1 health, I can just remove it and exchange it by the health variable above, as you see. So I can change it anytime and it will work. As you see, when I click run the code, as you see in the screen, the p1 health changed and become 100 directly. Why? Because I changed it here in the code. Now I will exchange it and I will write health. Health is the variable in the above. As you see, it's equal the same value. But I write it here instead of writing p1 health in parentheses because I want my code to be reusable. So I can take all my code, copy and paste, and after that I will change just the value of the variables. Okay? Now I will make sure I made the health now. So after that I will make sure that every sprite is in the right position. This is the right position, but I want it in the beginning. I want to be sure that they are in this position. So I will make every sprite to go to the specific position. Sprite.goTo, and I will put the X and Y. As you see, I can get the X and Y from the current position. As you see here, the current position is the X is minus 195 and the Y is minus 91. Okay, every time I change the position of the sprite, the X and Y change with me. So take care. This means that the specific position that I want for the first fighter in the beginning of the game, as you see right here. Now I want in the beginning the fighter to be idle because maybe in the end of the game it will be die. So I want to be sure that in the beginning of the game to be idle. When I click the green flag, I want to be sure that it's idle. So I will make the costume equal idle. So I will say sprite.set costume idle. I will choose any costume, but of course I will choose idle because I want it to be idle. Now we will go to walk. As you see, I have walk 1, walk 2, walk 3. I have a lot of walk sprites or costumes inside the sprite, the one sprite. I will use all of them in the walk to make the walk more natural. Just concentrate with me in the coming. Now I will write while true. While is loop and true mean it's infinity loop. Loop mean repeating, as you see, as you take with me in the programming essentials or the principles of programming by Python. The while true mean infinity loop. It's mean that I want to say to the computer, as long as the game running, continue repeat the code inside this while true. Because it's repeating. Every time it will repeat until the game finish. Because it's infinity. Until the game finish. And what will happen inside it? Inside it, everything will happen. Like when I want to move, anytime I click any of the keys, it will move. When I want to hit, anytime I click the hit button, it will hit. Why? Because it's repeating. Anytime. It just want to listen to me. It's listening to me. Anytime I click the button, it will go and do what I want. Like here, I say if sprite.isKey pressed. If I pressed a specific key, in that time I will say, for example, D. This means go to right. D will move to right. So I will move to right. If sprite.isKey pressed D, I will change X by a specific value. Mugab, like positive. Positive value mean in the right. Negative value in X mean in the left. So I want it to be in the right side. So I will change X by a positive value, as you will see right here. Change X by 10, positive 10. Okay? It will move the sprite to the right side, but it will move it without, you see, I will click run and I will try to click the D button right now. Concentrate what will happen in the game. Concentrate. I click the green flag And after that, click D. It's moving to the right, but without moving the costumes. It's not natural now. I want this sprite while he is moving. I want him or it to move or to change the costumes to make the move more natural, like what you see now. Walk 1, walk 2, walk 3, and repeat it. Walk 1, walk 2, walk 3, and so on. So it will make the move more natural, not just moving while it's in one costume like this. No, I want it to move smoothly and more naturally. Okay, so I will make a function. This function, I will call it move, and inside it, I will make the sprite change its costumes while moving to the right side. You will see now. Not to the right side, to any side. I will call it every time I want to move this sprite. Okay, I will make a function. When I want to make a function in Python, I have to say, or I have to write def. Def is a keyword inside Python. I write it before doing or making any function. And after that, I will write the name of the function. It will be move here in this case. And after that, I will leave the parentheses or this square, not square, circle brackets. I will put inside it a specific value. So it will receive a specific value. This is the value of the moving. And also, if the value is negative, it will move to the left. If the value is positive, it will move to the right. So concentrate with me now here. I will change the costume 3 times. Walk 1, walk 2, walk 3. And between every time, I will move a specific value, not the whole value. So I want to move by 10. So I will move 3 and after that change the costume. And another 3 and change the costume. And another 3 and change the costume. So after this move function happen, it will change, or it will move 9 and it will change the costume 3 times. So it will be more natural, as you will see right here. So concentrate with me with what I will do right now. Sprite change x by value, not 10 now. I will say value, any value it will receive. Value divided by 3 or divided by 4. If I want to change the costume 4 times, I will say divided by 4. Okay, but I have just 3. I think 3 is more accurate. Okay, so I will change it by 3 because I have 3 sprites, 3 costumes. Walk 1, walk 2, walk 3. And after that, I will set the costume walk 1, for example. After that, I will say again, sprite.change x by 3, or I will take it, copy, Control C, and after that, paste Control plus V from the keyboard. And I will say walk 2, because I have walk 1, walk 2, walk 3. It should be the same name, the same exact name. Don't change the name, it will be error. Okay? And after that, I will make the third time. Between the first one and the second one, I will say time.sleep. Okay? And I will put inside it wait time that I made as a variable in the beginning. Okay? So I want the move not become so fast to make me see it naturally. Okay? You will see here, I can change it anytime, by the way. If I didn't see it good enough, I can change it and try again. Okay? Now, I will take all the 3 of them again and copy and paste. After that, walk 3 and it's finished. As you see right here. And in the above, while true if sprite.keyPressed D, I will call the sprite, the move function. Okay. In the end, as you see, I said sprite.setCostume idle. So in the end, it will go to idle again. And here I will call it move. And I will put the value. If I want it to move to the right, I will make the value 10 positive. Positive because I want it to be in the right. If I want it to be in the left, I will make the 10 negative 10. As you see here, it's more natural now because it's changing. It's moving by changing the costumes. As you see here, it's more natural than before. Okay? Now, I will take the sprite.isKeyPressed D and I will make sprite.isKeyPressed is key pressed A, and I will make it move to the left, and I will make the move -10, not +10, because positive move to the right, negative move to the left. F sprite dot is key pressed A, move by -10. Yeah, easy peasy. A will move to the left. Move by -10. I have to put indentation in every body because the indentation means this move is inside the body of the if condition. Inside the body of the if condition. It will not happen, or it will not running except if the if condition happen. And the if condition will happen when? Will happen when the A key pressed. As you see, I can click A and click D. It will move to the right. It will move to the left as I want. If I want to make it faster, I will increase the value of the move. So it's now 13. It will be faster, as you see. As you want. If you want to be slower, just reduce the value. Easy peasy. Okay? Now I will make the last condition. The last condition is when I hit a specific, when I press a specific button, I will hit. So I will say sprite dot. As you see here, it's auto generated code. Sometimes it say sprite dot sprite. It's error. Remove the second sprite. Make it just one sprite as you see here. Sprite dot is key pressed V, and I will make hit. Hit, I will make it in function also, and I will call it here. So I will make the function hit first, and after that call it here. Maybe in the next video, in the second and last video. So see you there. Goodbye. Def hit, and after that I will program the hit, and after that call it after the if sprite.is key pressed V. Hello everybody, before we begin or continue the video, let's go to how to contact me and book courses with me or book work, like system analysis work, for example. You can contact me in WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, you can just write this, like this link, and you will get directed to my conversation in WhatsApp. Or this is my Facebook account, personal account, and this is my Student Guide Academy, my academy account, or my academy page in Facebook. I will show you. This is the academy page, Student Guide 101, and this is my Facebook page. And you will find here, send a message. If you log in, you will find send a message. You can send me a message, or you can go to this link, WhatsApp number, and click enter, and you will get directed to the WhatsApp number and the WhatsApp conversation for me. I wait you. Let's continue.